Hi, I'm Courtney Grosch.
And I'm Alexa Overbay, and today we want to talk to you about our jointly managed cloud service, Microsoft Azure Red Hat OpenShift, or Arrow, and the benefits that it provides.
We understand that you're managing your IT systems and applications while also building new and innovative apps. Your goals are to move faster, reduce costs, and overall just do more without disrupting the business. That's where a great application platform comes in. But you have to consider how you're going to build, manage, and maintain these platforms. So Alexa, what are some other things that customers need to think about?
So you're going to need the time, resources, and the budget to initially set up the new tools and the technologies to get your platform up and running. But then you have to continue with all the day 2 operational management and maintenance tasks to make sure that it continues running securely and reliably. How can you spend time and cycles on innovation for your business when you're really just spending all your time keeping the lights on? So first, we want to talk about what it takes to build an application platform on your own.
With a DIY platform, you're going to get the Kubernetes and individual parts to build your platform. You're going to have to integrate and assemble these parts together, as well as manage and maintain them separately, and sometimes with multiple vendors. Activities like cluster creation, monitoring, management, patching, as well as updates, just to name a few, are all going to be your responsibility. But what if this could all be managed for you? Well, it can with Azure Red Hat OpenShift. So let's explore how Arrow and a DIY platform differ.
So Arrow provides a comprehensive application platform. This means that it comes with fully integrated DevOps tools and capabilities such as IDE, build pipelines, monitoring, logging, service mesh, and more out of the box. So essentially the batteries are included but swappable, so you can switch them out for other tools and services that make more sense for your business if you want. By providing this pre-assembled comprehensive application platform, your teams can get started quicker and really just focus on building, deploying, and scaling applications, not building and maintaining platforms. It's also fully managed 24/7 by our expert site reliability engineering team. This means that activities such as automated patching, zero downtime upgrades, and proactive monitoring of the platform is done for you so that if issues arise, our SRE team can take care of it for you. If you've ever been the one to get that call in the middle of the night when something went wrong or an upgrade didn't go according to plan, you understand how big of a benefit this actually is. So now that we've talked about how Arrow provides an app platform for you, let's talk about the additional benefits of the fact that it's jointly managed by Microsoft and Red Hat.
So as a native Azure platform, Arrow is going to be able to integrate with the Azure services and tools like Azure Active Directory, Azure Monitor, and Azure OpenAI, just to name a few. To quickly get started, you're going to be able to utilize the Azure's Landing Zone Accelerator, which is going to provide you with best practices. Arrow can also be purchased directly from the Azure portal, and you'll also receive just a single bill, which will help with procurement headaches in the future. You can also use your Microsoft Azure consumption commitment spend if you have it with Arrow. And since it's jointly operated and supported by both Microsoft and Red Hat, there is a 99.95% uptime service level agreement.
And lastly, Red Hat OpenShift provides a consistent experience across the hybrid cloud. So whether you're already using OpenShift or you're planning to, this just makes it even easier to deploy workloads to Azure where it makes sense for your business. This gives you increased portability and flexibility on where you want to run your applications.
So let Microsoft and Red Hat manage your application platform for you so you can focus on what matters most to you. building, deploying, and scaling apps, and getting them to market faster to bring more value to your customers.